When Audi replaces A with S on the badge of one of its vehicles, a performance powerhouse emerges. However, the 2025 S5 Sedan and Sportback are more than just badge swaps for the ordinary A5 vehicles, as they include a powerful 6-cylinder engine and sport-tuned suspension. In 2025, the S5 Sportback will be available in two different configurations. The first is the current generation Sportback, which has been on sale in the United States since the 2018 model year. That version of the S5 is driven by a 349 horsepower turbocharged V6 that confirmed its performance chops in our tests, propelling the four-door to 60 miles per hour in 4.3 seconds. A new generation emerges for the 2025 model year, and the new S5 sedan is considerably more powerful. Courtesy of a twin-turbo V6 with 362 horsepower. The interior of the new S5 sedan is likewise more technologically advanced, with additional screens, more driver assistance capabilities, and more contemporary amenities. Which is the better purchase at this point? Although the new model should be a bit faster and have a more modern appearance, the existing model still delivers a good performance value. The sloping rooflines of the current generation model and the departing S5 Sportback conceal a hatchback. Each has a sizable cargo area in the trunk, albeit the new model is able to carry more than the present model. 5 people can be accommodated, and the back seat of the new model is marginally roomier than that of the previous model. Each S5 Sportback has extras. Front seats with heated and massage features, 3-zone climate control, a sunroof, and passive entry with push-button start. While the previous S5 had a digital gauge display and a 10.1-inch touchscreen, the new model comes standard with an 11.9-inch digital gauge display and a significantly larger 14.5-inch central touchscreen that softly curves toward the driver. A third, 10.9-inch monitor is optional and installed on the dash for the front seat passengers' usage. A huge head-up display is also offered. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are expected to be standard, with a 20-speaker Bang & Olufsen sound offered as an option.